Hi guys, thanks for joining me on Minute to Win It, where I'll give you one tip in 1 minute that you can implement within 5 minutes in your business to start generating more success. My name is Nate Arnema. I am the founder of 1,000-Fold Result. I am the #1 coach and consultant for online business in Australia. Today's tip is still following on from all the subscriptions, hubs, and ministries. We're talking specifically about a blog. So we've been working on the keywords and where to implement them and what to do with it. Now I'd like to share with you just how simple and easy it is to actually start generating some serious income from it. Believe it or not, if you did your blog at $17 a month as a subscription, $17 a month as a subscription, all you'd need is 5,000 people. Now, 5,000 people is pretty easy to build up to over the space of a year, especially if you're delivering good content. 5,000 people and you'd have $1 million business every single year. That's right. 5,000 people at $17 and you've got $1 million subscription-based income. Pretty easy, right? So the idea is to start thinking about how are you going to get these 5,000 people? Well, we start advertising in Facebook and social media. Facebook's really good with this. They have taken a general consensus of the entire globe and put them into groups for you. So you can start advertising to these groups. And sure enough, you'll start to build your subscription and your following. As long as your content is good, it's deep, and you're using your keywords, you are going to be bang on every single time. Well, that's it from me today, guys. I look forward to speaking to you guys tomorrow with Minute to Win It. Stay tuned for a bonus Minute to Win It later on today. I'm going to get Sam Cawthorn, the founder of Speakers Institute, to give us a fantastic tip to help us be more effective with our influencing. All right, but until then, everybody, stay golden. Bye-bye for now.